What's poppin'? Good looking? Welcome to another episode of Fuck You Friday! Before we proceed, I have an important announcement to make. I have this condition, this virus inside me. I'm infected. I'm the only one currently that has it, that has this virus. The complete scientific name of that virus is SUPERBADASS-20. It's hard, man, being infected by the super badass virus and all. Of course, I'm just kidding. If you want to be infected by the super badass 20 virus, gotcha. Just let me know. I would be happy to share my virus with you guys. Currently, my mentees have it. Some of my members in the Den of Learning has it. So if you want to be infected, if you want to get infected with a super badass 20 virus, just join the Den of Learning or sign up to the waitlist of the Sensational 6 to be one of my badass mentees. I just onboarded all 6 new students yesterday or last Wednesday, I think. So batch 2 of the Sensational 6 is going to start on Monday. Yes, so happy. Anyway, we're going to talk about Facebook ads and its policy, because I've been getting some questions about Facebook ads, about which words they should use or they should avoid when writing Facebook ad copy. To be honest with you, as long as you're not using profane words, you're not cursing, you're safe, man. Because one of my students asked me, hey, can I use smoke, the word smoke, in my ad copy? Can I use, what else was that? Excuse me, alcohol in my ad copy? And to answer that question, yes, you can use those 2 words and a lot of words in the dictionary, as long as, again, number 1, you're not cursing. Number 2, you're not, using those words to convey or describe it in a negative way. So again, you can use any word as long as it's not fuck or shit or bullshit or horseshit or whatever. You can use it as long as you don't associate it with a negative context. For example, alcohol. So what you can do to incorporate that word in your ad copy is that use the word and describe it from the perspective of your audience. Describe their pain points. That's how you use words that you think that you might get red flagged on Facebook. So again, it's okay to use those words as long as you're describing the pain points of the market, of your audience. Number 2, you're describing the pain point from their perspective. So that's how you go about. That's one of the hacks that I use when I write Facebook ad copy. As long as you're not cursing, you're totally fine. So your copy won't get flagged down by the Facebook gods. And just a quick recap on how to hack the Facebook ads policy if you're going to use, or if you're hesitant, or if you're reluctant to use some words. Again, it's okay as long as you're not cursing. Number 2 is you can use those words to describe your market's pain points. And number 3, you can use those words to describe your market's pain point from their perspective. So in a way, you're describing their problem or their pain points, plus you're actually storytelling, which is a big plus to Facebook ads copywriting. That's it for today. I'm just pretty happy, man. I'm just pretty excited, pretty stoked because the Sensational 6 Batch 2 will start on Monday. If any of you guys are interested in becoming my students, I suggest to sign up for the waitlist of the Sensational 6 Batch 3. I'm gonna send the link where you can visit my sales letter. That's it. So if you want to join Sensational 6 next batch or batch 3, just let me know. Sign up using the link below. And I'll see you next Friday. Yeah, have a nice weekend.